action. I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service? Great. And would you recommend them to family and friends?
For your free consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites. Siding and carpentry work at John's house from Livingston. And John, basically, we want to say, what do you think about the job that we just completed?
It's excellent work. This is the second time Bruce and his crew have worked here. They resided the whole house, and I'm very pleased. And when I needed this extra work done, I decided to go for Bruce firsthand, not even getting any other proposals.
See, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install. J-channel, starter strip, straight, trim board. We're getting a nice look on it. There's some cold molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now.
We just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off. As you can see, the lumber, what we've